I thought it was $125,000 for the building. No, their only price was $375 for the whole kit, including a failed laundromat that's not making any money, right? They never wanted to show you numbers, correct, David?
Correct.
That's so... Okay, show me the books. She doesn't keep books. Lie. Anyone who has ever owned a cash business keeps records. Let's just say that they don't deposit the money in the bank. I guarantee you they keep records. Whether it's a kid's lemonade stand, they've got a sticky note. That's a record. Every kid knows we made $11.25 on Friday. And if you think I'm wrong, what did Al Capone go to federal prison for life for? Tax evasion. Because he wrote everything down in a book. And that was murder, mayhem, extortion and prostitution, and illegal booze.
What is this?
If we can establish that any of these coded entries indicate payment to Capone, then we can put Capone away.
And he wrote it all down in a book because that's the way you do. So the moment that you say to a broker, oh, that's okay, they didn't deposit everything, I understand, show me the books. Oh, they don't keep books? Lie.